In this video, I am going to show you how to draw a horizontal line in Tradingview. So first open up your tradingview.com and then go to supercharts. Once you are here, go to the left section where it says cross and below that the trend line. Click on the small arrow you can see right next to it and select horizontal line from here, and then click on the chart, and there you go, the horizontal line is on your chart. You can drag and drop, you can drag it by left clicking that horizontal line up and down where you want to place it, and you can change the settings of this horizontal line from above here. You can select the color, you can make it thicker or thinner, and many other settings. And one more way to draw this line on your chart by pressing Alt and H on your keyboard. There you go. So this is how you can draw horizontal line in TradingView.